Made it to the Trailer Ranch RV Park. My sister and brother-in-law should be coming in any minute here. Made it to Trailer Ranch here in Santa Fe. Got all set up now and ready to go. Nice park, nice good sized park. We got a nice big back end space back here in the corner. Nice big wall all the way around. Looks like we'll have a nice stay here for the next 5 days. My sister and brother-in-law should be coming in any minute here. We're doing a little adventure. My sister and brother-in-law. We're here at the state capitol in Santa Fe. Let's come over here and see what it looks like.
Tired of that?
No, I just ignore him. Yeah. Nope, I don't get tired of it.
All right, and of course it's closed. The COVID-19 going on.
We open tomorrow.
On our walking tour here of downtown Santa Fe, we are crossing the Santa Fe River. Boy, it's not very big, huh? Not very much water down there.
Pretty good for a desert.
And at 7,000 feet elevation too. Desert at 7,000 feet. All right. Okay, they had a sign that said masks required down here in the downtown area, so we had to put our masks on. Now we're walking through this little park here. I think this is the village square with a monolith. Oh, we decided to get a bite to eat here at the Thunderbird. We're up on the second floor, so it's kind of cool. We got a nice view of downtown. My brother-in-law Bob says he's got history for us, so here we go.
Well, it's talking about the 1610 Palace of the Governors, occupied by 5 different nations first by Spain in 1610, second by the Pueblos of the Upper Rio Grande after the Pueblo Revolt in 1680. It was under Spain again in 1693, third by Mexico in 1821 after the Mexican War of Independence from Spain, fourth by the United States of America under
In 1846, yeah.
46 under General Kearny, and fifth briefly by the Confederate States of America during the Civil War, then again by the U.S.
Wow. Dinner has arrived, and does it ever look good? Can't wait to dig into that. Oh yeah, little Angry Orchard too. Haha. We're done eating dinner at the Thunderbird Bar and Grill. It was an excellent meal. We were sitting right up there on the second floor there on that balcony. The food was wonderful. Highly recommend this restaurant if you're in Santa Fe. The Thunderbird Bar and Grill. So right here in downtown Santa Fe, we have a marker here for the end of the Santa Fe Trail. It ran, let's see here, it was 1822 to 1879. I don't know if I'm going to be able to get this or not. See if I can see this. Boy, I'll tell you, they take this face covering thing really seriously down here in Santa Fe. They got Big Brother watching everywhere. There, I'm going to videotape the police videotaping me. Santa Fe Police Department, I'm watching you. So Big Brother's watching, and they do have signs posted that they will fine you if you're not wearing your face mask. Wow. Just doing some window shopping down here in Santa Fe. Got a hat company. They got some really cool handcrafted hats in here. A couple of hats in there I wouldn't mind having. And here we are at the Cathedral Basilica of St. Francis. Beautiful old church. Oh my goodness, look at this thing. Wow. Must be 9 o'clock or 8 o'clock. How is it? What time is it?
8:30.
8:30. That was the 8:30 chime. Inside the Loretta Chapel. I'm going to see the Miraculous Stairway.
There's
a model of the stairway we're going to see here.
On the way out, if you want to learn about the scientific mysteries, just ask. The more you know, the more amazing it is.
Okay, take off your hat.
Thank you very, very much.
Route 66.
Yes, here we are, Route 66. Look at this. Isn't that amazing? Things you find when you're out walking around. Stopping here at the French pastry shop and crepe. I'm gonna go in here and see what we've got here.
Oh my God, look at that.
And then who would have thought that we'd run into the oldest public building in the United States? This one behind me. What is it, the New Mexico History Museum? Wow. Built in 1610. Walking around downtown Santa Fe, just love the architecture. The Southwest Adobe architecture is just really cool. And on our walking tour down here in Santa Fe, come across a bunch of salmon. Guess this is an art sculpture. All part of the walking tour down here in Santa Fe. We've got Burro Alley, and they've got a burro out here at the front of the alley.
If it was covering crosses, it would be okay.
Yeah.
Oh, I love that Jaguar thing. Wow.
Those are great. I love those.
That was beautiful.